Just listen. No pausing, no repeating, no studying. Put it on while you cook, commute, or relax, and let the English come to you naturally. That's it. Today we are at a bus stop. Someone asks about the right bus to take, a driver helps a passenger, and two strangers wait together in the rain. Everyday English, slow and clear. Let's begin. It is a gray morning. The streets are wet from the rain last night. A man is standing at a bus stop. He is looking at the timetable on the board. He has a piece of paper in his hand with an address on it. He does not know this area very well. A woman is also standing at the bus stop. She has a bag and an umbrella. She lives nearby. She knows the buses well. The man looks at her. "Excuse me," he says. "I am trying to get to Park Street. Do you know which bus goes there?" The woman thinks for a moment. "Park Street?" "Yes. You need the number 12. It stops right there." She points down the road, at the stop outside the supermarket. "Oh," the man says, "this is not the right stop?" "No," she says. "This stop is for the number 7 and the number 9. They go in a different direction." The man looks a little worried. "Is Park Street far from here?" "Not far," the woman says. "About 5 minutes on the bus. Or you can walk. It takes about 15 minutes on foot." The man looks at his watch. He has time. "Okay," he says. "I think I will take the bus." "How often does the number 12 come?" "Every 10 minutes, the woman says. "You should not wait long." The man nods. "Thank you so much." He starts walking toward the other stop. "You are welcome," the woman calls after him. "Have a good day." The number 12 bus stops at the stop outside the supermarket. The doors open. 3 people get on. The last one is the man from earlier. His name is Rob. He steps up onto the bus. The driver is a woman in a gray uniform. "Hello," Rob says. "Can I have a single to Park Street, please?" The driver nods. "That is £1.80, she says. Rob takes out some coins. He puts them in the machine. The machine counts them. A ticket comes out. Rob takes it. He looks up. "Excuse me," he says. "I am not sure which stop is Park Street. Can you tell me when we get there?" "Of course," the driver says. "It is 4 stops from here. I will let you know." "Thank you," Rob says. He moves to the back of the bus. He finds a seat. The bus is not very full. There are 6 or 7 other people. An old man near the front is reading a book. 2 school children near the back are talking quietly. The bus moves through the streets. It stops. Some people get off. Some people get on. Then it stops again. After a few minutes, the driver calls back. Next stop is Park Street. Rob stands up. He holds onto the rail. The bus slows down. The doors open. "Thank you," Rob says to the driver as he gets off. "No problem," the driver says. "Have a good day." Rob steps off the bus. He looks at his piece of paper. He looks at the street sign. Park Street. He smiles. He is in the right place. It starts to rain, not heavy rain, but enough to make people uncomfortable. At the bus stop, 2 people are waiting. They did not know each other before today. The first person is a young woman. She has a coat but no umbrella. She steps as far back under the bus stop roof as she can. But the rain is coming from the side. Her shoulder is getting wet. The second person is an older man. He has a big umbrella. He is standing under it comfortably. He looks at the young woman. "Would you like to share?" he asks. He moves the umbrella a little toward her. "There is room." "Oh," the young woman says. "That is very kind." "Thank you." She moves a little closer. Now they are both under the umbrella. It is a little awkward, but it is better than the rain. "Terrible weather," the man says. "Yes," the young woman says. "It was sunny this morning. I did not bring an umbrella. The man nods. I always carry one, he says. I learned my lesson many years ago. The young woman smiles. She looks down the road. No bus yet. Are you waiting for the 7? The man asks. No, the 14, she says. You? The 7, he says. It is late today. They stand quietly for a moment. The rain gets a little heavier. The man moves the umbrella slightly to cover her better. Do you work near here? He asks. Not far, she says. 10 minutes on the bus. What about you? I am retired, he says. I am going to meet a friend for coffee. That sounds nice, the young woman says. He smiles. Yes, we meet every Wednesday. It is something to look forward to. Down the road, a bus appears. The young woman looks. It is the 14. She picks up her bag. That is my bus, she says. Thank you again. For the umbrella? Not at all, the man says. Stay dry. She gets on the bus. The man watches it pull away. Then he looks back down the road to the number 7. It is still raining, but he does not mind. See you next time. Next episode, we are at a park. Someone sits and eats lunch outside. A man asks where the toilets are, and 2 people meet by accident while walking their dogs. Same slow pace, same simple English. See you then.